good people, well done. We thank Baba God. May Lord give us the grace to see another day like this. We don't see today, and we thank God. So today, I'm going to talk about two African brothers, and it will be Mikel Obi and Nicholas Jackson. To me, Mikel Obi is one of the legends for Chelsea. Even if after this issue went up, some Chelsea fans say no be legends. To me, na legend for the game, na legend for Chelsea. You doing your own thing for your time. So the story now about Nicholas Jackson and John Obi Mikel. So after the match against Man City for Stamford Bridge, when Man City beat Chelsea 2-0, Jackson missed some chances for the game. So Obi, when they work as pundit for main sport after the match, normally as a Chelsea legend and as a Chelsea fan, the guy go the best now. But to me, I don't see wetin wrong for wetin he yarn, because he can't talk say they happy with the striker for the kind chances when he miss. Say Chelsea creates many chances, but they don't take them. He can't make example of Jackson. When Jackson no fit finish, even when Jackson dribble past 1, 2, 3 players, but no fit choose ball well. So he can't make reference say Chelsea go need to buy experienced striker. Maybe they call a leader forward line, maybe they score goals for them. He can't make reference to person like Haaland, made us score 91 goals for Manchester City so far. So this past weekend, Chelsea come play Wolves. Chelsea play Wolves away from home. Chelsea come win that match. Big victory, come win that match 6-2. As they win the match, Jackson now be the first goal scorer, and he scored Chelsea first goal for the match. Very early goal, and he scored. After the match, he played very well that day. After the match, Jackson enter Instagram. He tag Obi with a full shirt, say Obi shut up. He mad, say Obi they talk shit. He say all of them they kill themselves for Africa. So everybody they get a different take. Social media they boss. Some people say John Obi Mikel no be legend of Chelsea, say no get right to criticize the player. Some people say na truth Mikel they talk. Everybody just they give their own opinion. For Chelsea, but Obi Mikel, say get podcast now. The Obi one podcast. Now he come out. He can't all say normally he like Jackson. He like the guy as a football player. Say the guy na good player. Say the guy not be bad player. Say the only thing when he talk now say make the guy work on the finishing. Say the finishing he need touch. Say the guy na still young player. He say all wetin you just talk now. Say maybe Chelsea bring experienced player come the football club. Say that experienced player go help the guy. He say at least he go help the guy. He say at least Chelsea now get one of the best striker for Africa. That year, Didier Drogba from Ivory Coast. He say Chelsea produce that kind of striker. He say so now that kind of experienced striker and the guy go need. He say me young boy. Me go the teacher, me go the guide the guy. He can't just say he go like me the guy do well for the club. They say he go always praise the guy if the guy play well. But he can't talk say if there ain't anything when he go talk for the guy to improve, he go talk am. It's not a good stop and when you not take Ghana. Say he can't finish his statement. Say if the guy wants make it shut up, the guy could say make it shut up. Say you don't get problem, the guy say make it shut up. Say but when the guy they score every weekend. That one it can't everybody can shock because everybody they say Mikel will give bad boost. But be Mikel now as a mature guy, he not give any bad boost. So you just talk on the matter as it's supposed to be. To me personally, me go to talk. Jackson a very young player. Jackson is very raw. Oga, put your head down, listen to legend, when legend they yarn. May you pick one or two things, may you still learn something. Because no girl they no criticize you. All of us criticize you, we get that year. We criticize and we go there for Chelsea, they play 4, but when they go cause 5 goals, we go they play for 10, we go they do one kind. We criticize and easy collect for our hand. Normal level, I surprised when they see everybody they hit Mikel when Mikel talk that thing. Based on say you no get right to talk to that. I can't go back, make I go watch that clip. I watch and make I confirm say you get where he talk cash word. You don't get where Mikel talk cash word. He talk the reality of wetin we fans they talk normal. Wetin we just sit down, we go dey talk even for social media, wetin we dey tweet, wetin we dey post for our Facebook and all. Now wetin you just see talk, you just that based on saying a famous person talk and everybody just come for hey Mikel. I don't see wetin wrong for wetin Mikel talk. Now the reality of ground, Jackson a good player, but he dey very raw and he dey miss chances too much. But so far, if he dey score like this every weekend, he tell person, make person shut up. Even if you do shut up as a celebration, everybody go pem, everybody go shut up. Everybody go firm for one side because we know say yes, you dey prove us wrong. But so far, you know they prove anybody wrong. Oga, you dey miss chance on the red. So in that one, you go better check, say how far. We are going to improve. instead of saying you dey come out the cost legend of the game, tell legend, main legend shut up. But normally, one question when I want ask, if to say na somebody like John Terry, Lampard, this yanni, so fear go let that guy enter social media, tag and me shut up. All those things that one thing when I want to hear. If now did the job I talk that thing, fear will let her tag and try and make it shut up. Now those things, now me want they really they add. That's why most of our players need to they start to they do well. Most of us our African players, they start to they coordinate themselves. You understand? Everywhere they to put something. Everywhere there's a way you take they put something, a way you take to answer your critics. Don't be everything. All of them don't carry social media. Don't they cost person they do who they do live. Who they post on Instagram they post. Who they post on Facebook they post. No. Now you be footballer. Answer your critics for football pitch. Show them say how far. No could not use me they do content. I bad. But don't be saying you be content creator when you go in that social media they post content. You be banger boy. Enter pitch. Proof say yes. Na me bad. Don't be all this cho. Me you go the cho. Anyway, sir, it's not my 2 cents for the matter. Me I can't drop, sha. My people, una do.